Alrighty guys, we're up and at 'em. We're gonna go and climb the rock, baby. None of the boys are here yet, but we will be meeting up here and climbing the rock. Let's go. What are you doing?
Slip a beer or two and you
slip.
We'll do a shotgun in a minute. Hang on.
A few more beers.
Oh, you're putting them in my back sack.
Yeah,
This motherfucker doing back there, huh? Don't be weighing me down, mate. I don't wanna roll down this rock like a boulder. Smelling beers on the rock. Oh, that's cold. Woo! Oh, that's cold as motherfucker. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you shotgun a beer before you do a fucking hike. Oh shit, beers are essential. What? Hey. Stretch it up. Stretch it up, lad. You. Here we go. We're doing the Yugo, the track, 2.9 k's to the summit, baby. Let's fucking go.
Rock sports prohibited, so that's rock climbing, abseiling, the whole lot. For peregrine falcons.
Brother, I am pumped. Oh shit.
Why you keep that tool like that? Why you move like that? I hit the club 50 deep. How you get so high like that? Why your eyes like that? Cause I put Molly in my lean. Oh yeah, why you act like that? Why you strap like that? Cause I got it by myself.
Hey man, that's too easy.
Cause I got it by myself.
And then I'll be a bitch ass MF in about 5 minutes when we're climbing up this motherfucker again. You're fucking crazy, dog, mate. You're crazy. This cunt's crazy. Oh, he's got the wobbly at me. This steep ass shit. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Fuck that, I'm not doing that shit. Oh, hell no. I ain't risking that, motherfucker. Oh, going down the wrong way. Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah. Oh, the intersection. That's the thing, the summit used to be able to walk up that way.
For real? Sheesh.
Because someone was saying that the old track to the summit is closed. That's why you got to meet up again. Right, I see.
It's actually a nice little spot. Yeah. Nice. We're at the top. Made it to the fucking top. Oh damn. That's it. That's it, man. The rock. We're up in the bit. Cheers. They really getting that shit though. Easy.
Give me another.
Give him another one. spectacle.
Amen.
Cheers.
Amen.
Cheers. Oi.
Number 3, motherfucker.
Yeah, he's doing another one but bucket. Let him back. Pain a bitch.
No, I'm feeling it.
Feeling?
In my stomach. You're gonna have to cut.
I was gonna say, trying so hard not to say shit.
Yeah, balls.
9 foot, damn.
Pretty decent. Yeah, my foot long hammock.
My foot.
So, I mean, you probably won't be able to fucking.
We'll zoom
see
in.
what
We'll
I'm
zoom
talking
in.
about. All right, so right out there is completely like fucking north. That's fucking north as hell.
Yeah.
And we double checked on the compass, and I was right. So I'm pretty sure right out there that'd be Narrabri Hills. So where I live tomorrow, that's past there, like about 15, 20 k's past there. And out further you can barely see it, but there's a hill, there's a mountain that's like fucking, yeah, northeast. And that'd be the Wedding Mountains. So that'd be fucking
Northeast is out that way.
yeah. Oh well, yeah. No, it's north. It's northeast.
North. Fuck yeah, mate. Glazing it.
Well, I am gonna win at golf today.
Right over on our descent down now. Shit, it was tough going up there, I tell you. Especially for a big fella like me. But yeah, just gotta focus where I'm stepping. And yeah, we'll be back at the car shortly. Some nice views on the way down. Very nice. This is Wiradjuri Land, Riverina, New South Wales, Australia. We made it back. Yes, sir. Righto, guys. Thanks for coming with me on this vlog. Shout out to Will, the guide, and the patience master. This fucking James, the weapon. 2-trip Sisk, baby. Wetty as an MF, bro. What the hell is this guy doing, bro?
Wait, I didn't get your vape, did I?
Let's go get some beers. This MF wants some beers, so we're gonna get some beers.
Let's get them.
Let's go. Peace out.